So hey guys, today I just want to go over an important maintenance tip for the air filter here. Now this is a very simple part, but it's also very simple to check and replace if you need to. There's two clips here. You just pull them away from the housing. Sometimes they're really hard to pull down. And then you just lift the front of this up. And then there's two ears on the back. So you kind of lift up the front and then pull toward the right side of the car, or toward the driver's side. So let me show you here. So I'll show you the pins here. So if you see those little ears, those tabs, there's one on each side. Let me show you right here. Right here, see that one? So they just slide in little slots made onto the base. So they don't lift straight up. So you gotta unclip those, lift this up, and then pull toward the driver's side. And then there's your filter. Like I said, a very easy maintenance item to do. You can see there, it's a little dirty. Those little leaves stuck in there. It's a great idea to check it. You can hold it up to the light. Kind of see how dirty it is. You can see those spots. I'm not going to replace it yet, but it's a good idea to change that frequently, because that's the biggest thing to deal with your gas mileage. If this thing's dirty, clogged, your car will struggle, and you'll notice your the gas mileage will go down. And like I said, for the cost of these, if you just get a simple paper filter, very cheap, maybe $20. So definitely check it. I don't drive on dusty roads, but if you do, check it frequently. I always like to check the housing here and make sure there's nothing in there. You can give it a good wipe down as well, so you're not just putting more dust right back on a new filter if you put it in there. Same thing when you put it back. You slide the back in, those slots, push down on this front part, and then clip the pins in there. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but just want to give you guys an idea. Like I said, check it, especially because when you go to the dealer, they will check them. And then if you check it yourself, you'll kind of know if they're just trying to throw money at you, having you saying that you need a new one and you have no idea what it looks like. Just open it and check it out. You know, you can tell if you need to replace it or not. When that thing gets totally one shade of like gray, replace it. It's sometimes overlooked. And like I said, you can notice your miles per gallon getting better with a clean filter if it's dirty. Like I said, if you live in a dusty area, highly recommend replacing it. If it fires where you live, replace it. All that kind of stuff will contaminate that very quickly. So it's something easy to do. You can do yourself. Don't pay the dealer to do it. Again, I just want to share that with you guys because every car is a little bit different how to replace. And this one just has those two tabs in the back that slide in instead of having four clips around the whole thing. So other than that, straightforward. Highly recommend it, guys. Again, I appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll definitely get back to you. Appreciate all your guys' support. I do. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.